Hi everyone, welcome to another lecture of HTML CSS. This lecture I will talk about the different types of websites that are available on the web and that you will probably be able to create after you completed this course. Okay, so let's start for the most simple one, which is basically a personal website. We call it personal website because it's a website about a person or an author of a book or a writer. So these are the most simple websites that you can create, and you only need to know HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript to create these websites. Anyways, you always have WordPress, which is a CMS that will help you out to create a website like this in no time. Now, I'm gonna open a typical personal website so you can see. This would be a personal website, simple static website with HTML, CSS, and a few pictures there, images. Okay, so this would be a very common personal website. Okay, we also have other type of websites, like for example blogging websites. This would be another typical personal website. Okay, with several topics here or links at the top. This would be the navigational bar with these links, and this has articles ordered by date. And let's check out now a typical blogging website. So one popular blogging website would be, for example, tmz.com, where you have all these stories about popular people and famous people, and you have all these ordered by date. Okay, all these articles. So this is a typical blogging website. These are the most common on the web right now. You have hundreds and hundreds of popular blogging websites right now. These are created typically with WordPress and Blogger from Google. Okay. Anyways, at the end of this chapter, you can find a very cool document where you have all the different type of websites and also the language requirements. So what programming language you need to know to create this kind of website, the best tools to create this kind of website, and the difficulty. So is it easy to do it? Do you need a certain expertise or experience to create these? Or what type of programming languages do you need to know before you can create a website like this? You can find all that in a file called different types of websites, and you have that available for download at the end of this chapter. Okay, guys? You also have news websites. So let's say CNN.com or TechCrunch.com, which is very popular. Okay. You can also use WordPress to create this one. Now, the most difficult websites or platforms, and we call platforms when you have subscription feature on the website and you are using a lot of databases, you're using a lot of features like a chat or an uploading of file system, like uploading pictures or uploading videos like in YouTube. Those are called platforms, which basically needs a lot of programming languages, a lot of experience of a web developer, and a lot of web developers. Okay, you basically need a team of web developers to create a platform like that. Obviously, a lot of you will say, well, Mark Zuckerberg created Facebook on his own. Well, that's not quite true. Actually, what happened was Mark created the first version of Facebook, which was very simple. Okay. Now, the Facebook that you know nowadays with sharing pictures and with the news feed and sharing videos with a chat room, all that was created later on when Mark was surrounded by a professional team of developers. Okay, so you have also photo sharing website, Flickr. This would be a typical photo sharing website. It's very popular right now, Flickr. You also have Picasa from Google, and a social network would be the typical one would be Facebook or Google Plus. Okay, And then you have also websites for e-commerce like eBay or Amazon. eBay is very popular and Amazon is very popular as well. All these platforms or websites are very, very hard to create, and you need a lot of time and developers. Probably you'll need 1 or 2 years to develop this kind of website, and you need a lot of money to pay professional developers to work for you. You also have mobile device websites, and for those you'll need a mobile device, of course, and check those websites on your own in your iPhone or iPad. Okay, so these are the different types of websites that you can create, and obviously you'll need a lot of experience to create all these types of websites on your own. And if you are really interested and your goal is to create a really professional website like Amazon.com or a social network like Facebook, you'll need a lot of investment and a lot of money and a very good team of developers to work with you. Okay, so this is all for now, and see you guys in the next lecture. Bye.